Good morning, one and all. Now, in today's class, we'll be studying about the types of planning. In that, first one is organizational level plans. In that, first one is strategic plans. Now, what do you mean by strategy? Okay. Now, the manager has to frame a good strategy which is useful for the organization. Now usually what happens, certain planning will be done. The manager has set a very good plan, okay, and he has tried to implement the plan. Like that way, he has to also decide what all strategy is being used in order to make the plan successful. Okay, that is called as a strategic plan. It is planned by the top level management. Okay, now the top level management has to set a proper plan, okay, and he has to see which is good for the industry or business. So he has to frame such kind of a strategy, okay, which is good and useful for the business. Means he has to make use of his intelligence, he has to make use of his mental ability. Then it will be proper for him to set a proper plan. That is called as a strategic plan. Means it is formed by the top level management. The next one is tactical plans. Now what do you mean by tactical plans? It is formed by the middle level management. Now who will come in the middle level management? In middle level management, all the departmental managers will come. It can be the HR manager, finance manager, marketing, production manager, okay. So they have to plan according to their department. Okay, like suppose we have taken an example of HR department. In HR department, the HR manager will plan what is good and useful for his department. Then we can come to the marketing department. In the marketing department, the marketing manager has to plan what is good and useful for his department. Like that way in the production department, planning department, and so on. That is called as a tactical plan. The next one is operational plans. Now what do you mean by operational plans? Now here the lower level management has to plan. Now lower level management, they have to plan whatever are the day-to-day activities carried on in the business or company. Okay, so that will come in the operational plan. Means planning has to be done by the lower level management. Now it doesn't mean that only the top management of the company, they will only set a plan and they will only frame the strategy, and whatever plan has been set, the middle level management and lower level management has to follow that. Okay, but apart from that also, the responsibility will be there of planning even for the middle level management and even for the lower level management. So as the name itself suggests, operational plan. Operational means what? Conducting day-to-day operations of the company. Means daily activities of the business. It is planned by whom? It is planned by the lower level management. So this will come in the organizational level plans. Then second one is plans based on frequency of use. In that, single use plans are there and standing plans. Now what will come in single use plans? In that, program is there. Program means what? Now here a proper arrangement of the set of activities are to be done. Now what all are the daily activities conducted in the organization? So they have to set a proper program for that. That is called as a program. Okay. The next one is budget. Budget means what? It includes inflow and outflow. Means whatever income is been received and expenses. So that will come in the budget. So they can prepare that in the form of a table. Okay, applying that whatever are the incomes they receive, means whatever are the income they receive or inflow, and whatever is the expenditure or the outflow. So that will be there in the form of a budget. The next one is project. Okay. Now each and every company or organization, they have to plan a certain project which is useful for the company. Now what kind of a project will be there? Okay, they can plan a small project also or a big project also. Like suppose think that they want to plan a big project for a company. So they need to decide that, okay, means the cost whatever is been incurred, if they want to purchase any kind of a machine or if they want to purchase any kind of a materials and all that, what is the cost or price been involved. So that everything will come under the project. Then second one is standing plans. In that, first one is policy. Now policy means what? Now each and every company has to frame certain policies or objectives of the company. As previously I have told you, what do you mean by objective? Okay, like the main objective will be profit making. Like that way they have to form certain policies and objectives. Means what are the main objectives of the company? It need not be only profit making, but increase the sales of the company and all. Okay, like that way different policies and objectives are to be framed. Then next one is procedure. Now what do you mean by procedure? A step by step procedure has to be followed. Okay, it is in the form of a process. What do you mean by process? In that process steps are there, no? Like step 1, step 2, step 3, that should be followed in a stepwise, or that should be followed in the kind of a process. So that is called as a procedure. Means step by step procedure is been involved. Then next one is rules. Now each and every organization will be following certain strict rules and principles. So they need to follow those rules and principles of the company which are there. Now what can be the rules of the company? Okay, like time management is there. Means each and every individual or employee, they should come to the company on time. Okay, apart from that, uniform dress code. Okay, apart from that, some other rules also may be applied. Okay, submitting the work or task on the given period of time. So that is called as a rules. Means whatever are the rules and regulations and principles of the company, it is required that each and every employee should try to follow those rules. Then next one is plans based on time frame. Now certain plans will be there on the time frame, that is long term plans. Now what do you mean by long term plans? When you set a plan for a long term duration, okay, it may be more than 5 years or for a period of 10 years, that is called as a long term plan. Okay, means setting a plan which is there for a long term duration. Then next one is intermediate term plans. Now intermediate term plans means what? Time duration has been given for that between 1 year to 5 years. Okay, within that much duration of time only a manager can set a proper plan. Then short term plans are there. Planning for a short term or short range duration. Okay. Now whenever plans have been framed for a short term duration, those plans will be successful rather than planning that for a long term or long time duration. So these are the types of planning. Just briefly we'll understand. Organizational level plans are there. Strategic plans, what all strategies or plans have been framed, it is formed by the top level management. Then tactical plans by the middle level management, means all the departmental managers are there. HR manager will set a plan for his department, marketing, okay, then production manager, like that. Then operational plans are conducting day-to-day activities of the company, and that is plans are there for the lower level management. Then plans based on frequency of use, single use plans are there. Program, what kind of programs have been set by the company. Then budget includes inflow and outflow, means whatever income is been received and expenditure. Then project means what? Certain small projects will be undertaken or major projects will be undertaken. So there they need to calculate based on how much expenditure is been spent and all. Then standing plans. Policies means what? The management will frame certain policies and objectives of the company. As the main objective is profit making, like that way different objectives and policies of the company will be formed. Then procedure. Procedure means what? A step by step procedure has to be followed. Okay, like how the first step, second step, third step, it is in the kind of a process. Like see, the process will go according to first step, second step and third step. The next one is rules. Now what are the important rules, regulations and principles of the company? Now whatever are the rules and regulations, it is required that all the employees should try to follow those rules and regulation. Rules may be regarding the time management, okay, or also it may be regarding the uniform dress code, or other rules may be there, okay, like submitting the work or task on given time. The next one was plans based on time frame. Based on time frame duration, plans have been set. Long term plans means what? Plan has been set for long term duration, maybe more than 5 years to 10 years, okay. Then intermediate term plans means what? Plans have been set within a time duration of 1 to 5 years, means within that much time range only manager can plan. And short term plans are there, it is planned only for a short term duration. Like suppose if you want to plan the day-to-day operations or day-to-day activities of the business at the lower level, it is planned for a short term duration. So these are the types of planning. Thank you.